Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about IoT, short for Internet of Things, and why it's one of the most practical tools businesses can start using right now to cut costs, work smarter, and stay competitive. If you've been hearing about IoT but aren't sure what it could do for your business, stick around. We're breaking it down simply. And if you like videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let's start with the basics. IoT connects your everyday business equipment to the internet so you can monitor and manage things from anywhere. Rather than just getting a bunch of new technology, it's more so about getting useful information from the tools you already use. For example, temperature sensors in a delivery truck can warn you if food is getting too warm, or a connected payment terminal can send alerts if it stops working. With IoT, you can stay on top of what's happening in real time, without needing to be there in person. We all want to get more done without adding extra hours or stress. That's where IoT really shines. Let's say you run a warehouse. Sensors can track how machines are running, flag problems early, and even help schedule maintenance, so you're fixing things before they break, not after. Or maybe you manage a small store. Smart shelves can tell you what's low on stock so you're not constantly walking the aisles checking inventory. Less time guessing, fewer breakdowns, more time focused on the work that really matters. Every business makes decisions every day. What to order, when to schedule work, how to adjust staffing. But making those calls is tough when you're working off gut feelings or old data. IoT helps you make choices based on what's actually happening. Let's say foot traffic is down on Wednesdays. You might decide to adjust your staffing or offer a special. Or, if you notice one of your delivery trucks is using more fuel than the rest, maybe it needs a checkup. Small changes like this can add up to big savings. Want to stand out in a crowded market? Make things easier for your customers. IoT helps you do just that. In retail, sensors can help you restock faster, reduce checkout lines, or even personalize promotions. In service businesses, you can offer things like smart check-ins or faster, more reliable equipment support. As a result, you'll give customers a smoother experience that keeps them coming back. Here's the bottom line. Businesses that use IoT are starting to move faster, serve customers better, and spend less fixing preventable problems. If your competitors are already using it, and many are, that's a serious advantage. Now's the time to explore what IoT can do for you, before you're the one trying to catch up.
Quick reality check. None of this works without strong, reliable internet. IoT devices need to stay connected, whether you're in a city or a remote area. And sometimes regular Wi-Fi just doesn't cut it. That's why many businesses are turning to multi-network SIM cards. These SIMs connect to whichever network is strongest in the area, so your devices don't drop offline when it matters most. If you want to explore your options, we've got helpful resources on our site. IoT doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, but it does have to be reliable, useful, and tailored to your business. Before you dive into IoT devices and data dashboards, it helps to get clear on what you're trying to solve. Ask yourself, do you want to reduce equipment downtime? Monitor inventory in real time? Improve customer experience? Track assets across locations? IoT isn't one size fits all. It's a toolkit, so your goals should drive your approach. The smartest way to implement IoT is to start small. Choose one business problem to focus on, like tracking refrigerated goods or automating energy use in your building. Then, test it. This lets you prove ROI early and work out any kinks before scaling up. Next up, your devices. You'll need sensors to collect data, gateways to transmit it, and a platform to monitor it all. Look for solutions that are easy to integrate, scalable, and compatible with your existing systems. And don't forget security. Choose vendors that offer built-in protections for your data and devices. No IoT system works without reliable connectivity. If your devices can't send or receive data in real time, you're flying blind. For remote locations or devices on the move, multi-network SIMs with cellular failover or satellite support keep you online, even if one network goes down. The last is to get your people on board. Make sure your team understands the system and how to use the data it delivers. Then track your performance by asking, Is it saving you money? Are you seeing fewer delays? Can you predict problems before they happen? That's the real value of IoT, turning insight into action. Implementing IoT doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a goal, pick the right tools, and build from there. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give us a like and drop a comment below. Let us know how you're thinking about using IoT in your business. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. See you next time.